Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, this question was taken from the June 2024 Regents exam, and I am going to do this one and show you how it should be done. We got a table here. It shows the amount of money a popular movie earned in millions of dollars during its first 6 weeks in the theater. So one of the variables is the number of weeks that it was out, and then the other variable is the total money earned. Now, it looks like as the weeks go on, the amount of money that it's earning is going down. So this looks like this is going to be a negative correlation. Okay, you see, and that's true. Like once when a blockbuster film first comes out, a lot of people are excited to see it, so they go see it, and then every week fewer and fewer people see it because they're like, okay, I've already seen it, and then eventually, it's not making very much money at all. So that's the way it normally works for movies, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the calculator now, and we're going to go, I'm going to show you, we're going to go to spreadsheet. We're going to put X here. We're going to put a Y here, and then we're just going to enter the X part. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. So the film is out for 6 weeks now. And we're going to do Control 7, takes us up to the top. And so the first week we made 185 million. The second week we made 150 million. The third week we made 90 million. The fourth week we made 50 million. Thought I was putting this. Okay, let's try this. First week, 185 million. Second week, 150 million. Third week, 90 million. Fourth week, 50 million. And then the fifth week, 25 million. And then the last week, we made only 5 million. Boom, done. So now go back to the home screen. And then we got 6 weeks here, 6 dots. We're going to put the X down here, put the Y over here. Boom. You can see that's the linear regression, and it is a negative slope like we predicted. And now we're just going to do menu, analyze, regression, and don't want that. So Control Z. All right, so let me try that again. Menu, analyze, regression, and then it's going to be linear. And so here is our equation. Let's go and see what they want us to round this to. So they said the equation should be rounded to the nearest hundred. So that's what we have to do. So let's do that. Let me take this. And so it's going to be Y. It's going to be Y equals a negative 37.57, because the 7 is in the hundreds place, the 1 is to the right, so it's 4 below, so we drop all of those decimals. So it's going to be a negative 37.57x. And then the y-intercept is going to be 215.67. Because the 6 here is in the hundreds place, we look to the right. It's 5 or above, give it a shove. So we're going to add 1 to this 6, and that's going to be 215.67. All right, so if we go back to here is the equation, and it's been rounded to the hundreds place. Now we're going to look for the correlation coefficient. Now notice, I'm putting a big minus there because I know the correlation coefficient has got to be negative. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the R squared value in, and then I'm going to take the square root of it, and that's going to give me the correlation coefficient. So R squared is equal to 0.969862821 and then I'm going to take the square root of that to find. So here's what I got. And now what I'm going to do is I just need to take the square root. So I'm going to do bam, and it's going to be 0.969862821 Press enter. Oh, come on, man. I keep thinking that I'm typing these things in and I'm not. 0.9698628 216, press enter. And it says that the correlation coefficient is going to be 98 cents. You look at the 8, you go to the right, it's a 4 below, so it's just going to be 98 cents. So that's what I'm going to write here. It's going to be 0.98, and of course it has a negative correlation. And all I would say is that this has a strong negative correlation between the weeks and the amount of money earned. All right, boom, done. That's what you're doing. All right, so I'm going to stop this and I'm going to post.